Hello, isn't this miniature little bow adorable? I will show you how to tie these miniature adorable bows. Let's get started. So you will need 1/8 inch ribbon. I got this from Hobby Lobby. 1/8 inch, got 3 yards. There's the meters. This is a metallic ribbon. I just tie this while it is still on the spool. So you start by folding the ribbon back behind you. This is the tying hand. This is the holding hand. This is the hand that has the pinch. And you can see I'm pinching with my thumb and my finger. Okay, so we're going to make a loop. We have two kind of generous long tails. We're going to bring it together and make a pinch. We're going to take this working tail, wrap it around our finger, and I've grabbed it with my ring finger on the back. Now we're going to take this and shove it through the hole. I'm pulling my fingers back and I'm shoving it through the hole. Can't see, I'm in the camera. All right, there we go. I've got a hold of it. And just give it a slight easy pull. Now everything's kind of big and the knot is kind of loose. So we'll pull the bow tie ends to make this smaller. Now grab each tie and give it a pull. Now we're going to make it smaller and make it smaller. And there's a cute little bow, but we need the knot to be tighter. So we pulled it again. There we go. How cute is that? Now we're going to cut our ends off. You can leave them long if you want. I'm going to cut these kind of short. One loop is bigger than the other. Shorten it just a little bit. There you go. Whoops! It's so tiny, it's hard to hold. There we go. There's a miniature little bow. Isn't that sweet? You can make that even smaller if you'd like. Well, it was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I have a video tutorial on how to make those earrings. I have a video tutorial on how to make these little miniature pumpkins so that you can make the earrings. It was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I hope you'll come again soon. Bye.